I'm David. I'm from Germany.
Nah, anak todo Habib dari. He's from Indonesia or from Malaysia?
From Germany.
Oh, from Germany.
I mean, I came from Malaysia 1 week ago, and I went to Bukit Lawang and to Lokop. And then I stayed in Langsa for a week because my bike was broken. So I think so far very good people, and I haven't seen a lot. Yeah.
You are a celebrity.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, Pastor.
Okay, thank you.
See.
Ya, terima kasih.
Bye.
Ya, goodbye. See you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, the forest here is very different from Germany. They have like big wildlife here, with elephant and rhino, and there's the Loisa ecosystem where my friend from Langsa work. So it's a good place to come and see it. I think everyone is very helpful and very friendly, and very curious about why I'm here. Yeah, but it's very nice to be here.
You have the Facebook on Instagram on?
No, I'm not using Facebook. No, Instagram.
Instagram.
No.
Twitter?
No.
YouTube?
No.
You not have the social media.
No, I'm not using social media. I'm just riding a motorbike.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. From India.
India.
Also, yeah. With Hanuman, also from India.
India. From Indonesia?
From Indonesia, I have one taxi in my bag.
Oh, good.
It was my pleasure.
Yep. Thank you.
Bye.
Yep. Thank you. See you.